Namaste, I'm Julie. Welcome to Your Self Yoga for Menopause. And if you are a yoga beginner, welcome to this 5-day challenge for menopause symptoms. But not only is it an introduction to yoga, it's an introduction to the power of yoga in menopause. So if you're struggling with any of those symptoms, this is an opportunity to just see how powerful and how effective yoga is at this stage of life. Over 5 days, you will enjoy 5 videos, which each specifically targets a menopause symptom, and you will get to see just how amazing it can be for bringing relief, instant relief and long-term relief. As well as yoga, you also will have access to a guided meditation for sleep, and trust me, you're gonna love it. So each yoga video is 15 minutes long, so they're super easy to fit into your busy schedule, and you can practice either morning or evening to suit you. I believe that yoga should fit in with your life and not the other way around. A word of advice, try to practice them 5 days in a row, and don't skip a day because you think, oh well, that menopause symptom, I'm not really struggling with that one, because simply moving on the mat for 15 minutes will make you feel fantastic physically, mentally and emotionally. So try to do every day. But if you miss a day or you can't keep up, don't worry, because the videos will be there for you to revisit when you're ready. But more importantly, how will you feel at the end? Looser, lighter, calmer, less stressed, even more energy, because you'll be sleeping better. You're gonna feel more flexible. When I say looser, a little bit more of a spring in your step, and just generally feeling great, feeling happier. Worth doing, right? If you've not already signed up for the challenge, hit the link below and you will receive 3 free bonuses immediately on signing up. And also share the link with someone else you might know who may benefit from yoga in menopause. It could be a friend, a family member, a neighbor, a work colleague. Share the love, spread the word. And here's the other thing, for every day's video, you can also access another free bonus. It's worth doing. If you're watching this and you've already signed up, huge congratulations, well done you. Drop me a comment saying, I'm ready. And I look forward to seeing you on the mat and celebrating this journey with you. And I'm passionate about helping women in menopause take the first steps on the yoga mat, because there's another better life waiting for you, trust me. My challenges are renowned for not only helping women feel better, but for making significant improvements in their life too. Many go on to make other changes. So this could be the start of an amazing journey, and I can't wait to share it with you. But before you go, please make sure that you have a yoga mat, right? We can't practice yoga safely or effectively without a mat. So please make sure you have a yoga mat. It needn't be expensive. Look up Amazon, and I'll see you on the mat soon. Namaste.